Alright guys, bike check. Here we have my Gyro 3 Chrome BMX bike. On the back, we got Leo Freestyle Pros. Got a single piece crank with a full length chain, no brakes. Got some Odyssey pedals. Got mongoose pegs, 50 spoke front rim, 38 spoke back rim, CCMC which needs to be replaced. Got stock bar caps, APS-C brake levers which don't even work. We got on the front, we have a Kendall tire, decent tread. We got animal brakes, Gyro Odyssey headset, chrome handlebars. I'm not sure what these are. As you can see here, we have the sticker for the gyro rotary system. Got a green custom-made gear plate. I had this cut. I don't remember where this was cut out, but I had this cut somewhere. Got 80 psi in the front, 60 in the back. Fuck, I don't quite remember. We got a 36 to 10 tooth sprockets. Got I think this is an upgraded stem. I don't quite remember where I put it in the bike a while back. Stock bar post. I'm not sure what this piece here is for, but it's an overall really great bike. Quick, reliable, well balanced. See the grip on the back tire. I noticed, yeah, I know, I only have a peg on my left side because I took the other side off for now. But, as you can see, very clean bike. I have nothing else much to say about it. It's a very reliable bike. Never really have any problems with it. It's a good bike, you know. I can't say anything, you know, my feet on my brakes, so it all depends on that. And other than that, good bike. Alright. This is Angelo with a bike check, and I'll see you guys later.